Alright, what's going on, vlog world? So today is the last day on the job. I'm quitting my job today because it's time to go into my career path as a truck driver. So I'm gonna be driving all over the country, so I'm really excited about that. And I don't know, you know, sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith in life. Alright vlog, so I stopped by the house to get my raincoat because it's raining like crazy. That's the truck. Don't know. Last day with the truck. And I'm feeding the dogs. Max, Marley, I'm gonna eat up on the food. Alright vlog, so I'm gonna drop off this truck that I'm towing in the back. You probably can't see it, eating some oatmeal for breakfast. And, you know, just taking the day easy. Alright vlog, so the day is going really chilled. You know, I was hoping that it was gonna be like busy so I can like pass the time, but it's pretty consistent. Just stopped at Tropical Calf, you know. I got the Bahama Mama. It's a very good drink. Too expensive still. So now I have a next call to do. Alright vlog, so it's the second day. Just quit the job yesterday. And I leave this Sunday. This Sunday I'm gone vlog. Antonio vlog! Bro. So I just left church. They prayed for me. And now I'm on my way. Mad. On my way, vlog. Alright, so I just got to the hotel, like literally just walked in the door. I'm going with night transportation. Everything has just been flowing so fast and so just good. You know, the bus came right on time, picked me up. Boom, I got to Columbus. Called the phone number for the hotel. They sent me the shuttle right away. I received a call from the cab driver like 2 minutes after I got off the phone with the lady I was speaking to. Came and picked me up, dropped me off, and now I'm here. The room is pretty nice. I thought I was gonna be sharing a room with somebody, so to be able to have your own room that's pretty dope. That's what's up, night transportation. So it's a nice room. See, even a fridge, microwave, TV. My gosh, and the shower is very nice. Okay.
Everybody got your seatbelt on, right?
Oh yeah.
This is yours. Okay.
Mine.
There's the glass door that you go into. See it with the sign and stuff over it?
Yeah.
This little trailer here is usually open during the week, so you guys can get sandwiches and sodas and stuff like that if you want.
Oh yeah, you can wash your clothes over there?
Yes, in the driver's lounge?
Yeah.
Yes. Go through those doors and stuff.
Is there...
Alright guys, so this is, let me kind of zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so this is the almost the first full week that I am here. I literally just got out of class a while ago. So tomorrow it's supposed to be the last day of the first week, which is the first week is you're in a classroom setting. So I just want to basically give you guys my personal opinion on the first week, and my personal opinion just so far if you want to come with Swift and Night. So we got here. I was under the impression that the bus that day was gonna have the shuttle bus that take us from the hotel to the facility was gonna take us to like Walmart or something like that if we needed to. It don't. But a couple people here, they drive, so you know that's been a blessing so far for me. I've actually stacked up on like peanut butter, cup noodles, you know, cheap stuff that's gonna last. You know what I mean? You're here for a month, and the first month that you're here training to actually get your CDL, you're not gonna get paid for that. You start getting paid when you get on the road. After you get your CDL with the trainer driver, then you start getting paid. Depending on which one of the companies you're with. I am with Knight. I got this hat from Knight. You know what I mean? Knight is a little bit better than Swift. They pay a little bit more than Swift with the trainer driver, and I think starting off too. I'm not sure right now, but all week the classroom setting is really long hours. 6:30 in the morning to like 6 in the evening. It's a lot of discussions. It's a lot of stuff that you have to learn. You have to learn how to chain the drive tires on the truck if you're stuck in like snow. Learn how to put like a big chain all over the tire and like lock it and secure it and stuff like that. Learn about the logs and learn about mapping. That's what we've been discussing today, which is Thursday. And we're gonna take a test on it tomorrow and discuss it some more, and hopefully, you know, understand it fully, because trying to learn how to read a map is very difficult. Very, very, very difficult. And the logs. It's certain part of the logs that I still don't understand, but you know, I'm here for a reason. I'm definitely here for a reason, and God has definitely seen me through this. So that's pretty much it. You know, if you decide to come here, just come here prepared. Come here with the you know, with the mindset that you have to want it. You have to be willing to listen. You have to want to learn. You can't come here and just be a brick, you know what I mean? And my dad is actually a truck driver, and just going through this process, it just made me just really respect him even more, and you know, just like, whoa, you know what I mean? Because I thought trucking was just, you learn how to do this and that, boom, go hop in a truck and go drive. It's way more to it than that, way more to it than that, yo. It's like, so I take my hat off to all the truck drivers out there. Seriously, definitely take my hat off to you guys. You guys are definitely heroes. You guys are amazing.